Hello student, I am Assistant Professor Komal Wanshiv. In this video, I will explain you dynamic memory allocation. Dynamic memory allocation means allocating memory at runtime is known as dynamic memory allocation. There are four functions related to dynamic memory allocation which are declared in stdlib.h header file. The functions are malloc, calloc, realloc and free function. Here, malloc, calloc and realloc are the memory allocating function and free is the memory deallocating function. Before discuss the above function, I will explain you difference between the static and dynamic memory allocation. Static memory allocation means allocating memory at the compile time is known as static memory allocation, and allocating memory at the runtime is known as dynamic memory allocation. Static memory cannot increase while executing the program, but dynamic memory can be increased while executing the program. Array is the example of static memory allocation, and linked list is the example of dynamic memory allocation. So in short, static memory means fixed memory that cannot be changed at the runtime, and dynamic memory is the flexible, it can be changed at the runtime. Next, the first function is the malloc function. Malloc function is used to allocate the memory. The malloc function allocates single block of requested memory. It does not initialize memory at execution time so that it contains garbage value initially. It returns null if memory is not sufficient. If requested memory is not available in your computer memory, then it returns the null. See the syntax of malloc function. Actually, this is the syntax of malloc function, but before use the malloc function, you have to declare pointer, and you can declare pointer by using this syntax: data type, then asterisk symbol and variable name. So see the syntax of malloc function. Pointer name is equal to pointer data type asterisk symbol, then malloc in bracket size. Note that malloc accepts only single parameter, and you need to convert the memory in respective data type because malloc return void pointer. See the example of malloc function. Here int pointer ptr is equal to int star malloc in bracket 5 into size of int. So in this example, total 20 byte memory is allocated to ptr. 20 byte because 5 into size of int is 4. So 5 into 4, that is 20. 20 byte memory allocated, and the address of first byte is stored in ptr pointer. So here we can say that ptr point to this memory location. Here you need to write here integer star because malloc return void pointer, and you have to convert int into respective data type. Next function is the calloc function. Calloc function is also used to allocate the memory, but the difference between the malloc and calloc is malloc allocates single block of memory, but calloc allocates multiple block of requested memory. Malloc does not initialize value, so it contains garbage, but calloc initially initialize all byte to 0. Same, calloc also return null if memory is not sufficient. So see the syntax of calloc function. Here also you need to declare one pointer variable, then you can allocate the memory for pointer variable. So pointer variable is equal to pointer data type asterisk symbol, then calloc in bracket number and size. Note that calloc function accepts two pointers. two parameter, number and size. So here number means number of block and size means size of each block. See the example. In this example, int pointer ptr is equal to int star calloc 5 oblique size of int. So here total 5 blocks created and size of every block is 4 byte because the size of int is 4 byte. So size of every block is 4 byte. So total 20 byte memory is allocated. But calloc allocate multiple block of memory. And the address of first block is stored in ptr pointer. Here also you need to write here int star. This is typecasting because calloc also written void pointer and you have to convert it into respective data type. So you need to write here data type and asterisk symbol. Next function is the realloc function. Realloc function allocate the memory which is not sufficient by malloc and calloc function. So you can allocate memory again by using the realloc function. In short, we can say that realloc function change the memory size. See the syntax. Realloc in bracket it accepts two parameter. First parameter is the pointer name, that is old pointer, and second parameter is the new size. It allocate memory and return pointer to the pointer variable. So see the example realloc function. Okay, here by using malloc function memory is allocated. Here total 20 byte memory is allocated, but I need to increase that memory. So I use here realloc function, then old pointer ptr comma new size 10 into size of int. So total 40 byte memory is allocated and address of first byte is stored in ptr pointer. So by using the realloc function, we can change the size of memory which is previously allocated. Next function is the free function. Free function is used to deallocate the memory which is occupied by malloc, calloc and realloc function. So by using free function, we can deallocate the memory. Otherwise, it will consume memory until program exit. See the syntax of free function, free in bracket pointer name. See the example of free function. Here, memory is allocated by using the calloc function and after use that memory, we can free the memory by using the free function. So we have to write free in bracket pointer name. So free function deallocate the memory. Thank you. I hope you all are understood the concept of dynamic memory allocation. In next video, I will explain you algorithm. Thank you.